I'm making a delicious basil garlic lemon dressing to go over my steamed broccoli. And here are the ingredients. A tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to squeeze some fresh lemon juice, about a tablespoonful. I'm also going to use, these are frozen garlic cubes that I have. I could use the crushed garlic, but I really didn't feel like crushing up garlic, so I'm just going to use these frozen ones, and they're pretty good. So also, I'm adding some nutritional yeast. You can also use Parmesan cheese if you're not a vegan, or if you don't want to use the nutritional yeast. And I'm also going to add, of course, the basil. This is fresh basil leaves that I got from the grocery store. And of course, I'm adding some Celtic sea salt and some black pepper. So let's get started. I also added some more basil and some more nutritional yeast. I'm steaming the broccoli. Steaming is better than boiling it in water, otherwise the nutrients are in the water. So steaming is better. I'm also toasting some slivered almonds to add to it. I'm just mixing this broccoli in with this good, delicious sauce, just covering, making sure all the broccoli gets covered with the sauce. I probably could have taken the broccoli out of the steamer a little sooner because the broccoli is kind of soft, but it's still good. Now I'm adding my slivered toasted almonds to give it that little crunch. Now, time to taste. Look at that. Can you see that real good? Oh. Get some of those almonds in there. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 You gotta give this a try. That sauce, the basil, lemon juice, the olive oil, the garlic, oh, all of it working together gives this broccoli such a good flavor. If you don't like broccoli, try this sauce. I bet you'll change your mind. And broccoli is so healthy. It's so delicious and healthy for us. One of the best vegetables that we can eat for our bodies. And then when you want to add a healthy sauce like the olive oil and lemon juice, basil, garlic, nothing but good. Nothing but good. It's an easy sauce to make. You saw how easy it is. And the nutritional yeast, if you don't want to use nutritional yeast, you can use regular Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese if you're not vegan. And if you like cheese, that would be a great addition to it too. Otherwise, give it a try, and I guarantee you'll like it. I may even try this on some Brussels sprouts, just the flavor of it. So anyway, thanks for watching my channel. I'm always quoting 3 John 1 and 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that thou shalt prosper and be in health. Health. Good broccoli. Even as your very soul is. So that's what we want. We want to prosper. We want to be in health. We want our mind, body, and soul to be healthy. So let's do that. And we can always do that. Of course, we have to add the Word of God in there in order to get our spirit and our soul healthy as well. All right. Thanks again for joining. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would appreciate it. And thank you, and have a joyful, beautiful, blessed day. And continue eating healthy. This is so good. Mm-hmm.